Have you ever wished you could talk to someone for help with debugging or improving your test cases and automation scripts? Or just to ask any general QA questions without fear of judgment? Worry no more. Our automation expert is here to support you and help you become a better tester. Do you ever need assistance and are reluctant to ask for help out of fear that someone will judge you? Our tool won't judge. Use our tool to get help to create more robust automation scripts. Our automation expert can assist with troubleshooting and debugging, answer questions that you may have about generated UI automation code, and research best practices and improve test automation script. Let's get started. First, sign in or register as a new user. Let's show you how to do this quickly and easily with our tool. You'll need to select a framework you may need assistance with. Then let's ask it a question. For this tutorial, we'll ask, what's the best practice for creating selectors? Then click on Generate. You'll see that our expert will generate a response that breaks down each of the best practices and even show you an example in the framework you've selected. Amazing, right? Discover more of our AI tools. Sign up and try our free AI tools today.